welcome back to another video. Today something's not right about the Camaro. I'm smelling a lot of exhaust fumes in the car. So what we're going to do today, we're going to be trying to tighten this stuff up. I don't know if the vibration or whatever is removing the nuts or whatever, but we're going to try to tighten the exhaust system back up. It just smells like a lot of exhaust coming through the car. So let's get started. So what I've noticed, I've been having a lot of exhaust smell inside the car. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to tighten all this stuff up, this exhaust system up. You know, that's what I should have done many miles ago. But if y'all new to the channel, I got the Texas speed headers. I got the Corsa X-Pipe, the Corsa Extreme NPP exhaust. So I'm gonna try to tighten all this stuff up and see if that helps with the smell of the exhaust fumes inside the car. So we're gonna get this thing going. I'll make sure I got all my tools. Let's see, I got my tools together. Yeah, this is an old school rug right here. Let's see, what's this? This is a 13. I think the 13 is at the front. Hold on a second. All right, we got the 13 going. And then we're gonna see if we can tighten this, see if they're loose. And we got it jacked up. I don't have no stand, so it's gonna be quick, guys. I know usually when I do all this stuff underneath the car, I kind of feel that I ain't underneath it that much, that long. That's why I'm trying to hurry up and get this stuff done just in case something happens. Okay. I don't like the way they did that. When I did it, it moved. Let me get back with y'all guys. So I want to go ahead and I put a jack stand underneath it. I should have did it in the first place, but that's all good. It's just done now. So I'm going to try to retorque all these and make sure there's nothing exhaust leak coming from this car. So yeah, it's a nice looking system. It's a nice looking system. All right, let me get to it. So, like I said, we already start with this one right here. And it's tight. And hopefully I can reach all the way over to get that one. I might have to put this camera down just to see that. Hold on a second. All right. All right. All right. All right, we're going to. All right, that's tightened. Then we gotta do this pipe right here. This might be a different size. It might be a. Yeah, I know it's not a 13. Yeah, it's too big. I mean, it's too small for that. So we're gonna go ahead and get another tool. All right. So, let's see if we can find another. Where'd it go? Shoot. All right, so I found the size it needs. It needs a 15. So we're gonna go ahead and change this stuff out. That wrench is no good. So we're gonna put a 15 on this. I don't think I really need this extension. Let's do this right here. All right. Let's get back underneath here. All right. So we're going to, that's tight. What's wrong with this one? It's not fitting on that one. All right, let's go on back up here and see what this right here is gonna do. All right, let's see this one. That's tight. That's tight. So I think everything is tight. It might, I don't know what it can be that smell like the exhaust is leaking or anything like that. So let's see. All right, let's get it put in here. Oh shoot. Sorry guys. All right, I think everything is tightened. I don't know what's going on, but oh shoot, well, this exhaust right here. Let's see here. I know, guys. This is a bad view for you, but we're gonna get it. Like I say, this is the Corsa X-Pipe TSP headers, and it seems like everything is buttoned up pretty good. What I was doing, I was smelling a lot of exhaust, but it seemed like it's nothing coming from down here. It might just be me. It could be when I'm walking around the car. This has no cats, so of course you don't get the gas fumes. I think I might have had the gas fumes trapped on my car, on my clothes, and that's what I'm smelling. But yeah, if you can see, like I say, I got the Texas speed headers all the way back to the Corsa X-Pipe, and then the Corsa, I think it's the Extreme NPP, and this car sounds good. So, all right, guys. Like I said, I didn't really find anything, but I just want to look underneath here and make sure nothing, no bolts or nothing like that was loose. But I think it was just me. So, yeah, this is underneath the car. Yeah. It's just, oh my gosh. Like I say, guys, it's just this is just something, a little short video showing y'all what I go through every day. Is just making sure these cars are running a top shape performance they can be. I checked everything and everything seemed like to be good, but I think it's just me because as you can see, these cars don't have no cats and just straight all the way back. And I think what happened was, it's like I must have stepped back behind the exhaust system and got that smell on me, and that's caused me to believe that my stuff was leaking or something like that. But a big shout out to Race Proven Performance. Hey, dude, they did a great job on my build. Hey, so far, the races that I've done on the street that have not even floored it, I've won, or I beat these cars. They did a really good job. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do next. I think I'm gonna have to find another car for the channel. So, yeah. But that's it for this video, guys. But I just want to show y'all what I do every day. Just try to make sure these cars are running in good shape and everything like that. And yeah. All right, guys, this was just a quick video of showing what I was doing. Like I say, I was smelling some exhaust fumes, but apparently it wasn't coming from the exhaust or something like that. I think it was where I just was walking behind the car, and where I don't have no catalytic converters, and it's just a straight exhaust. I think that's the reason why I got on my clothes, and I was like, man, something's ain't right. But anyway, guys, to the next video, guys. It's just a quick video is what I just do. But anyway, with that being said, I'm out, guys. If this is your first time checking out the video, please hit the subscribe button. And like the video and comment. It helps the channel grow, guys. So with that being said, I'm out.
All weekend long, we're going to be bringing you live performances from the festival that took place tomorrow and Sunday. It's going to be a vibe. Let's get to the speed game. Violence that we've been experiencing for the past 400 years is actually doing our people a disservice. In fact,
Oh yeah, it's time to have fun.